Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I usually have bread and eggs for breakfast and I was looking for a different option to make and I came across this bread pancake recipe. So the best thing about this recipe is it can be made in 5 minutes and requires only ingredients which are quickly available at home. So the ingredients list is given in the description box. Let's jump right in. So I've taken some banana, eggs, milk, bread, some baking powder, some vanilla essence, and we'll also be using some salt and sugar or honey for sweetness. So I've got all the ingredients here on room temperature. Now we'll just add all these ingredients into a blender, mix everything and make a batter out of it. So I've just toned the bread pieces and made a powder out of it. Now I'm adding the eggs into the mixture. I'm using 3 eggs here. Use medium size eggs. Now it's time to add the bananas to this. I've used 2 small bananas. You can use a medium sized banana if you have. So I'm adding a little bit of milk at this stage. Rest I'll add while blending it. I'm also going to be adding some vanilla essence since we've got eggs in this recipe and I don't want the eggy smell. Now I'm adding the baking powder in along with a pinch of salt and honey for sweetness. You can also add sugar instead of honey. So now all the ingredients have been added to the blender. Now let's make a smooth batter out of this. I added the rest of the milk and made this batter. I'm pouring it out into a bowl. The consistency has to be pourable like this. So I'm going to grease a pan with some butter. You can use any non-stick pan or a cast iron pan as well. I'm going to slowly pour the batter in. Now if you want thicker pancake, you can use a smaller diameter pan to cook the pancake. Wait for the bubbles to appear on the surface, after which you can flip this and cook it from the other side as well. And the pancakes are ready to be served with some fruits, chocolate syrup or a drizzle of honey. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye bye.